Something was it came right in front of me nighttime, man. It came from my dinner and me and my wife.
I like that one.
Yeah,
I think I'm gonna get that.
I thought it disturbed my whole car. I pulled over, said, how red? Holy shit.
Does this have a light?
No.
You can't tell?
Yeah, actually it does. It's like very faint. It's a faint red blinking light.
Shit.
You're fine now.
I wonder if there's a C63, like the W2, whatever.
It was over there.
I almost bought one.
Really?
I almost bought one. I was talking to Gian, yeah. It was like 20K, 70K miles, 2013 with the higher horsepower package. Bro, I almost bought it.
Man,
Hannah talked me out of it. I wish I bought that thing.
you definitely should. Let's see.
I love the purple so much. Why?
You should. Just so you.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be like, my dad has one.
No, just so you can come to these.
I really want one, dude. I'm worried if I don't get one in the next few years, they're just all gonna be gone.
It's gonna be, yeah.
'Cause they're all pushing like 200,000 miles at this point, dude.
They are. If they're not clapped out.
Do you have to pay to come to this?
I think this was like 20 or something still.
For the event?
It's a private event.
Do you have a PPF?
I do. That's why it's all matte.
Oh, yeah.
Because like normally they come stock like glossy. So.
Yeah, Texas has been destroying my car. My front bumper is actually like...
Oh, you don't have
Car's like not expensive enough for me to care. That's what I told myself, but now I care. Because I was like, a car's not that expensive. Like, I don't really need a PPF. And now I'm like, I should have got a PPF.
You fix the lip.
Our insurance actually just paid me out like $1,500. So all I had to do was go get my front bumper PPF. Because they pull up the PPF. Oh, perfect. Worked out good for me. I got like an extra $800-900 out of it. So how you doing, man?
Oh yeah, this is my friend Ben.
Ben, nice to meet you. Yeah.
He has an Elantra N, which isn't German, but
That's so cool car.
Yeah.
You like that? What are you turn out? I didn't know you made it.
I know, me too. I came in late and I was like, man, I really hope people already didn't leave. And then I come in and there's like 7. I think
Like half of the people here can't even leave if they want to.
I was like, I see 2 rows of Supras, and I was like, what the fuck?
The last one that they had, there wasn't that many.
Yeah,
there was a lot.
There was a lot. But, yeah. And the whips and waffles one was also like low key. It was like what? Yeah.
I've seen this same car at like 5 different places now.
Yeah.
This is like my Find Waldo. What's that shit called? Finding Waldo?
Yeah,
I see it everywhere.
Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo? That's me with this car.
Yeah. Bro, you should get wheels. That's when you see it.
Yeah, I saw some guy that tracks his Elantra and on Facebook Marketplace was selling some like forged some shit, so I don't even know. I just don't know anything about wheels. Like, I don't know if, do I need forged wheels? Do I not need forged wheels?
You can maybe get away with them, but like...
But I would get 18s though, just because the rows are brutal.
You can get flow formed wheels, flow forged wheels. If you want to like cut down on like the expense part.
Yeah.
But, other than that, you don't really need. Oh yeah, this is the guy who works on my car every once in a while.
Oh really?
Yeah. His name is Al. He was over there. He helped me install my Zestec wheel when I had it.
Sick.
So I was like, once I move out, my parents were like absolutely pissed, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll put it back.
What, your steering wheel?
Yeah. So they were like, you need to have a steering wheel with an airbag, and I was like, nah, okay, all right. They're like, we don't want you to die, and I was like, sure.
Die.
Once I move out.
Were you thinking about getting an apartment, or are you house?
Right now I'm looking at houses, but like renting right now is pretty optimal.
Yeah, the house, because the rates right now are terrible though, and they're only going up.
Yeah,
It's really bad.
Yeah, really.
Like even if the house isn't expensive, the rates make it like just stupid.
Oh, another one.
I don't see. Is that one? That's an E.
Nah, CLS.
This thing? Is this an E or a C?
This one?
Yeah.
Is it E? Or is it?
Fuck, this is a 350, bro. What is this?
The one at the shop, that one last dyno we did, it was like...
See, they don't exist, man. Nobody has one.
Yeah, there's an E. Holy shit.
Yeah. Oh, okay. This is a C. No. Is it?
Yeah, E53. No. This is C63. It's E53.
E63. This one's sick too.
Yeah.
Fuck
like
my
this.
life.
We have this E-Class. Like, my dad drives this E-Class.
Oh, this is a turbo one though.
Dude.
Is it? Yeah. C63 is 6.4.
Yeah, just flat. Yeah.
All right, we're done.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Trying to
You should
run
race him.
Trying to run him in your Elantra, bro?
Yeah. I can take him.
Yeah, I got him.
Dude, you don't know me in second gear, bro.
Hey, now that's sick. That's beautiful.
No one has the naturally aspirated C63, bro. They don't know.
No, honestly, you're right.
I have to. They don't exist. No, they don't. It's weird. Is this an S3 or RS3? I don't know how to tell. I think it's an S. Nope. Well, actually, probably. It might be.
It's probably built though.
Oh, yeah.
He took an S3 and he built it way past RS3.
Yeah.
It's just an all-wheel drive though, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So,
They are.
Yeah, Quattro.
I was gonna take out the hood.
Does your car have the BMW like alarm or no? It does?
It does.
That's so dumb.
It has the BMW alarm. It has the.
Was Toyota just like, here's a body, do something? Like, how did that?
Toyota said, we don't want to deal with these fuck-ass electronics. BMW, do you got us? And they were like, yeah.
So they have a BMW engine and all the electronics?
Yeah, they have a BMW engine that's been built out by Toyota. All the internals are still Toyota. But the actual engine block and the surrounding parts are all BMW, and the electronics and the infotainment section is BMW.
Is that true for the B58? Is it just co-designed by Toyota and BMW? So even the M340s and stuff, it's the same thing?
Use, all of that
Okay,
stuff.
that's cool.
Yeah, so it's not awful, which is why the M340 and the 440i don't really exist anymore.
Now this is sick.
That's sick.
Now this is sick.
Damn.
S4.
Wait, what's the signature, actually? I should probably ask the guy.
What's the what?
Signed by somebody.
Oh.
Maybe the guy who made Group M.
Nicht überfühlen. Do not refill.
That's crazy.
Big boy.
Big op boy. You should run him.
Dude, they don't know.
This is sick.
They don't know.
They don't want that schmo. I don't think they do. I don't think they want that.
Is this where we're gonna open our lube shop?
Lube shop.
Lube, but not for cars.
Not for cars. Honestly,
It's a cool building.
I've always, yeah, I was like this. So, honestly, BKs or like this area, I think it's called like. What's that? Yeah.
Don't know.
Oh,
Holy motherfuck.
yo, you should get that.
Yeah, I got that. Let me cook.
Yeah.
Hey, boss, I'm gonna need a quadruple promotion, please. Promote me to director.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I don't know what that is.
Big op.
Wagon.
That was like BMW wagon. I keep on telling people, like, you guys don't need an SUV. What you guys really need is just a wagon.
He left. He was like, too many peons in here.
Yeah. That's crazy.
God, fuck.
God, fuck is right.
Baby seat. Yep. Certified baller.
Yeah. Crazy. Little tikey seat, bro. Crazy. That's right.
B12.
I like that. I miss when like
Huh?
German manufacturers would just shove a shit ton of like just the largest fucking engine possible.
They can
into
fit,
an
yeah.
average, like, family sedan.
Fuck maintenance, bro. Pack it in. Pack a punch this shit now.
We need to compete with the Japanese cars. Oh,
Not even. We need to quadruple their cylinders, bro.
I have an idea. Yeah. What if we take the V10 from the Lamborghini and we put it into
Station
the
wagon.
S5? Oh. And we can use
Apparently those, is that a C? S?
you mean the AMG GT?
Oh, it's a GT. Yeah, those apparently aren't that expensive. Like they
they're
drop
not.
like a rock.
Yeah.
Like 150, 140.
Yeah, they're not expensive.
Is the MSRP like 200 something?
Yeah, and it's the same thing with the Aston Martins, by the way. If you
Yeah.
want to get a 2019 Aston Martin Vantage,
Like the Vantage and stuff?
you pick
Yeah.
one that's like oddly ass for like, I don't know, like 8K.
Yeah, that's the LARPer car.
But like low-key,
It's a cool car though.
Yeah, I like the low-key thing. This is kind of cool.
Wonder how long until this thing overheats.
Which one?
My camera.
Oh. You think it would?
Yeah, eventually. But I'm not recording in 4K, so
okay.
should probably last a while. I love green. I don't know what's gotten into me.
I mean, green.
I love green.
I think your frontal lobe might be slowly
I'm
developing.
getting older, bro.
Yeah, I think you're.
Earthy colors, that's where it's at.
You're like, I don't want hot pink. You know what I want?
Green.
I want tan. I want
Sand.
sand.
Oh, that's where those sand colored cars come from, bro. Like, I need a sand. Boost.
That's sand.
This one?
Yep. This is the wing that we were installing.
Didn't one of your friends have the 4-cylinder?
No. We don't associate.
You know, Gian was talking about somebody. He's like, you guys need to execute that guy.
No. I think at least out of us four,
This is my track.
we all have the
It's not my
same.
RC350 or a GR86.
My man got 2 dailies. What am I doing wrong?
What?
He's like, no, this is my track car.
Oh
And the other guy's like, what do you daily? He was like, either my RC350 or my 86. I'm like, you got 2 dailies?
Yeah.
What am I doing wrong? What the fuck?
It's real simple, right? It's like business.
Gotcha.
This has like exhaust. This has an exhaust on it. I was
You
like,
don't?
I think so. 'Cause I was like, those aren't stock tips.
They're not?
No.
They're tiny though.
Yeah.
Dude, he's not moving with the like 9-inch diameter
No, because those are stock.
mega. Holy. Bro went smaller.
Yeah.
My exhaust tips are bigger than that. This is huge. This is stock.
Yeah.
No, what? Oh, I see. It's just a. Oh, yeah. Wait, no. This one's not.
Those aren't stock.
Okay.
Am I tripping, bro?
Excuse my lack of ball knowledge.
Yeah.
Wait, they've also got the mini ones. Wait, no, that's not. I can't tell. Everybody's got a different type of exhaust on, dude.
Yeah, I was like, I think at this point, I think we might have like all.
Maybe that's the 4-cylinder.
Oh.
LARPer. Get him out! Do you think it is? No, it's a GR, so it's not.
What?
Wait, can it? They're all GR.
They're all GR.
Oh.
GR Supra can be 4-cylinder or 6.
Oh, it is. I didn't know that. I thought only the 6 was.
No.
The sun is like beating me down right now. I can feel it. I did not put any sunscreen on.
This is why I love being brown.
Dude, I need to get like you.
Yeah, he's this cutie.
This is my little daughter. That's a lie. Say hi, mama. Probably getting a little hot.
Oh yeah.
She said, "Get out of my
I'm
face."
Sure, I'm sure. I was like, I'm getting a little hot too. Yeah, I saw the baby seat. I was like, oh man, no way, dude. I gotta congratulate you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
She's so cute.
Yeah. Are you liking the BMW now that you got the hood and everything? Like actually paint match.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got half the interior out right now. I'm getting the headliner and pillars and all that wrapped in Alcantara.
Oh, okay.
So that should be back Tuesday or Wednesday, and then I was driving and on Riverside they were doing some construction.
Oh yeah.
And somebody hit one of the cones in front of me, and I ran it over on the passenger side, and it fucked up my side skirt and all that. So I had to pull the passenger side skirt's missing, but I got a new one on order, a new diffuser too. It fucked up my diffuser, which that hurt because mine's like real Borsteiner.
Yeah,
so
I was
it's
like
$2,200.
Yeah, I was like, I know the Borsteiner stuff. Not, yeah, I got a big brake kit on the way, and I don't know if you know.